to talk about. It's easy to sum it up when you just talk about practice. We sitting there, listen, we talking about practice. Not the game that I go out there and die for and play every game like it's my last. Not the game. When you come in the arena and you see me play, don't you? You see me give everything I got, right? But we talking about practice right now. We talking about man, look, I hear you. It's funny to me too. I mean, it's strange to me too. But we talking about practice, man. We're not even talking about the game, the actual game, when it matters. We're talking about practice.
That nigga riding them bitches.
Mm-hmm.